Howdy folks, Sasha here from TT Liquor. Today we make it a classic. It's a mojito, but this time we're using a smoky rum. And for this we teamed up with our friends from Cut. So this is going to be quite something special, a little bit unusual, but I hope you enjoy it. Over to you, Kay.
Alright guys, it's Kay back here at TT Liquor. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a really nice version of a very classic rum cocktail. We are going to be making a smoked mojito. So I've got some mint leaves here. I'd say we want a little handful of mint leaves, maybe 8 to 10 mint leaves. There we go, a little bit of a slap and a rub between my hands, and then we'll chuck them in the bottom of the glass. Next thing going in the glass is going to be our booze, which is this lovely Cut Smoked Rum. This has got a nice kind of light smoky flavour to it. And we want 50 mils of our rum. Next thing going in here is going to be some fresh lime juice. So I've got some pre-squeezed here. And we want 1 shot or 25 mils of our lime juice. And we want about kind of 15-20 mils of our simple syrup, depending how sweet we like our mojito. I like mine quite sweet, so I'm going to do 20 mils of my simple syrup. So I'm going to fill the glass maybe about 3/4 of the way with crushed ice to start with. There we go. And I'm going to grab my bar spoon and give that a nice mix in the glass. Beautiful. And now to finish it off, I'm just going to give it a nice top of crushed ice. And for a garnish, I've just got a nice mint sprig that I'll pop in there. And that is our smoked mojito ready to drink.